Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 24th October 2025, Nifty index opened with a sharp gap up of nearly 190 points near 26,050 amidst optimism over the India-US trade deal and traded sideways in the first half of the session. However, in the second half, the index witnessed profit booking of more than 200 points from its day's high of 26,104, wiping off most of its early gains. After a strong rally over the last few sessions, the index is now facing some pressure near its all-time high levels. On the daily chart, Nifty has formed a bearish candle even though the sequence of higher highs continues for the sixth consecutive session. India VIX was up by around 3.9% to 11.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.95. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,300 to 26,300 levels, while immediate range is in between 25,600 to 26,100 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,508 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,989 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 24%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,800 for the next up move towards 26,000 and 26,277 levels, while supports have shifted higher to 25,800 and 25,700. Bank Nifty has to hold above 58,000 for the next up move towards 58,750, while on the downside, support can be seen at 57,750 levels. And finally, talking about the stocks and sectors to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Bharat Forge, Infosys, Bank of India, Bandhan Bank, Piramal Pharma, Sonacoms, Inox Wind and HCL Technologies, while some weakness could be seen in Dixon Tech, BPCL, Dalmia Bharat, Keynes Technology, Exide Industries and ICICI Bank. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.